Every crimped nut begins with certified high-grade steel. Each batch is tested for strength and composition before production even starts. Precision machines cut the raw bar into perfect blanks, ready for forming. Under massive pressure, cold-heading die shape the nut body and crimp region with absolute accuracy. Next, the threads are rolled or tapped to create a perfect durable fit. The crimp feature is then formed, locking the nut to resist vibration and loosening. Heat treatment strengthens the metal, and protective finishes like zinc or passivation shield it from corrosion. Every batch undergoes dimensional checks, hardness and torque tests, and full quality certification. Finally, each nut is packed, labeled, and shipped worldwide, engineered for performance that lasts. Webber CRIMPEX, precision engineered fasteners, built to perform.